everybody. My name is Xiao and I'm a medical student. Recently, you probably noticed a lot of your Facebook friends or even yourself are doing the ice bucket challenge, where you pour an ice bucket over yourself and text 3 other people to ask them to either do the same or donate $100 to the ALS Foundation. And you're probably wondering what exactly is ALS. So today I'm going to explain to you in this really short video of what it is. So ALS stands for Amyotrophic Lateral Sclerosis. And what happens is that normally for your muscles to contract, you need your neurons to fire a signal at the muscles. And so the muscles know they're supposed to contract. And when there's something wrong with your neurons, it does not send the signals properly, and your muscles do not know that it's supposed to contract. And even worse, your muscles need a certain amount of stimulation from the neurons in order to maintain its size or grow. That's why the more you lift your weights and work your muscle will grow. And if you don't use your muscle, you will lose the size of the muscles. So in ALS patients, for reasons that we still don't understand, patients start losing their neurons. And because neurons cannot fire signals at the muscles anymore, the muscles get weaker and weaker, and eventually you can't move the muscles anymore. So what happens in these patients is that they will start developing weakness in their arms and their legs and all over their body. And eventually they will have problem with their speech and swallowing because their muscles in the mouth and in their neck is also affected. Eventually these patients will die because of muscle loss, and most importantly because they lost their muscle eventually in their breathing system, so they stop breathing because of that. And currently there's no treatment for this disease. And so just to recap what it is and explain the terms to you. So ALS means amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. A means no, myo means muscle, and tropic means nourishment. Lateral is just a location of neurons that are dying, and sclerosis means either scarring and hardening of the neuron. So basically ALS just means scarring, the death, and hardening of the neuron at the size of your spinal cord causes no muscle nourishment. And because we currently don't have a treatment for this disease, that's why you guys have to either donate money to ALS Foundation and keep this Ice Bucket Challenge going, so that eventually one day we'll be able to figure out a cure for this disease. And here it comes.
Beat ALS!